Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this Boyd Coddington wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. Check this one out. This is the all famous Boyd Coddington Junkyard Dog. This one's in a size 15 by 7, 5 on 14.3, offsets +6, and then PCD is 5 on 4.5, which is 5 on 14. The back spacing is 4 1/4, and then the hub is 3.27 inches. Whenever you shop for this wheel, this is the part number, guys. BC1-5765425C. It'll take you straight to this wheel. I'll unbox it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below for these Boyd Coddington wheels. And give me your feedback. See how these bad boys look. So, here you have it. The Boyd Coddington famous Junkyard Dog. Here you go. So it's a simple 5-star wheel, similar to like a torque thrust. It's just chrome, triple plated. You'll get your valve stem right here. It's a conical C lug nut, so 60-degree tapered lug nuts that'll go on there. And then you got a billet style center cap that says Boyd Coddington. Let me give you the lip size on these 15 by 7. I'll go from the face and then I'll go from back here. So from the face to the edge, you're about almost 2 inches, 1 3/4. And then back here, like let's start from the chrome, you're at 3 inches. Got it. Let me give you the back side of this wheel. You're at 3.27 of an inch. So it's almost around like maybe 83 millimeters. And let me give you the wheel weight. The weight of this 15 by 7 chrome wheel. I know most of you guys want to know what most of these wheels weigh in at, but here you have it, 16.5 pounds. So here's your 15.7, 5 4.5. Great for old school Fords, Chevys, GMs. If you name it, if you guys want a Boyd Coddington wheel or are looking for a set, feel free to give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.